All right, welcome back on this Sunday evening. Let's start with our first alert weather headlines for you. Monday and Tuesday, still looking at two first alert weather days for additional accumulating snow and gusty winds. And I do understand some areas have not seen very much snow. Those areas off to the west that haven't seen a lot, the snow's kind of wrapped up for you. Fargo, we're still going to get some tonight and tomorrow. You start heading east of Fargo and Moorhead, opportunities definitely go up to the south as well of seeing a few additional inches for our Monday. And we'll talk more about that here in just 1 second. Drying out by late Tuesday, and then later this week, we're talking Friday into Saturday, opportunities for rain and snow showers. I think Wednesday and Thursday are going to be very nice days across the region. Couple winter alerts to tell you about. Winter storm warning for the areas you see shaded here in red. Heavy snow possible in these areas, especially as we get into tomorrow mid-morning through tomorrow evening. We got a little bit of a break from the snow tonight. Also strong winds, 40 to 50 miles per hour possible. Areas shaded in blue, winter weather advisory. Lighter snow possible in these areas, but again, coupled with those strong winds, 40 to 50 miles per hour, creating very poor travel conditions. Even the areas that did not get a lot of snow, that snow is on the ground. You're traveling, you're going to be blowing around tomorrow. Still some light snow coming down in those areas. So again, be aware of that. Here's what we've got for your greatest impacts tonight, but really tomorrow as we look at our first alert weather days. Heavy snowfall rates again for those eastern areas, and we're talking about Minnesota more so than North Dakota or southeast North Dakota as well. Blowing and drifting snow, possible blizzard conditions, and that's for most areas. Again, because we do have the snow on the ground in most of our locations. Travel disruptions are likely. Satellite and radar. Again, right now, things are quiet. We've got a little bit of a dry slot here, and what we're going to see is this area fill in once we jump into tomorrow during the morning and afternoon hours. Fargo a little bit west, expected to see additional snow. Once you get past that toward Findlay, toward Carrington, Devils Lake, Jamestown, basically other than a few flurries, we are out of the snow. If you're in, again, northern Minnesota, Thief River, Falston, Bemidji, Detroit Lakes, Fergus Falls, Hankinson, I think several more inches tomorrow. That goes for Sisseton as well. So again, winds will pick up out of the north as we get toward the early morning hours. And notice the snow. We're going to take a look at a couple weather models here, but snow starting to push back to the east. Now this particular model, I should say, has the snow pushing back as far west as Fargo. But again, we're going to check out another one here. What we're going to find is a little more snow, or at least this weather model showing a little bit farther west push and then a little heavier snow in areas like, again, Detroit Lakes, Bemidji, Fergus Falls, Sisseton. And that's why I think those areas are going to get several more inches of snow. And what we've already seen in Fergus Falls, Detroit Lakes, 3, 4, 5 inches reported to this point. Could double that as we head into tomorrow. Snowfall potential overall, Fargo, maybe another couple, 3 inches on top of what we have. Again, farther east more so. Then you factor in the winds. Winds really picking up as we head toward tomorrow morning into the afternoon. These areas shaded in orange, that's a wide area. Strong winds out of the north. Gust up to 30 to even 45 miles per hour at times. It's going to hang around those winds tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, all the way into Tuesday. And again, when you've got that blowing the snow around, that creates those very poor travel conditions we are expecting. Monday, a difficult day to travel because of blowing and drifting snow. A little bit better on Tuesday. Improved conditions, not great, but improved. Wednesday, Thursday, much better. And by the way, as we look at the impacts, especially tomorrow, also could see some slick roads out there. Temperatures right now, we're generally looking at temperatures in the mid-20s to low 30s tomorrow morning. Lows in the mid-20s. Highs going to stay on the cool side, mid to upper 20s. We look at our 11-day planner, so a couple more days with snow and wind. In particular, again, tomorrow, Tuesday, that snow will be tapering off. Then we look at Wednesday, partly cloudy, 30 degrees. Chilly Thursday morning, a low of 8, a high of 38. We get the sunshine. Friday, Saturday, 44. Again, could see a little rain, snow mix, no accumulation expected there. Easter Sunday, 43. And then we're back in the mid-40s with sunshine next Monday through Thursday. So definitely some improvement, especially as we get into the second half of this week and then again next week.
And into April.
And
Isn't that amazing?
It is amazing.
It's come very quickly, yeah. Thanks.